In the golden glow of a sun-kissed morning bright, meadows stretch wide under skies of pure light. The chugs a merry engine, bold and grand, a happy little train on wheels across the land. Puffing steam clouds that dance wild and free, rolling down the lane with effortless ease. Toot, 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 it whistles with glee. I'm a happy train, it sings to the breeze. Toot, 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 through valleys and green, carrying joy in every turn and scene. Toot, 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 the rhythm calls once more, down the winding lane where adventures implore. First come the cows, bells softly chiming, by the fence heads low, on hills climbing. Sweet grass and wildflowers sway in the day, waiting patient along the railway. But where's the calf, that playful young thing? Spots like stars that night skies bring, hidden in hay or shade, who can say? Train pulls up close, hard, unafraid. Rat-tat on the barn door, soft and true. No, not here, just echoes askew. Rat-tat on the gate by the willow tree. No, not here, when whispers search for me. Rat-tat on the trough where water runs clear. There it is, leap and a cheer. Choo, 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 onward we go. Hooray, cries the train,